And coming to the DIF FFT, the structure will be different. So in the first stage, we are having all our 8 lines together, connected together. And in the second stage, 4 lines. And in the last stage, we are having 2 lines together. And similarly, here, the last 4 lines in the first stage, last 4 lines are given with -1. And in the second stage, third line, fourth line, seventh line, eighth line are given with -1. And here 2, 4, 6 and 8 are given with -1. And you have to remember, while giving our input signal, while supplying our input data to DIFFFT, the input should be in the regular order. Whatever order we are having at our inputs, given input, that is in our question paper, we are in our example input signal. So that should be taken in the same way. So x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3. In the ascending order, we have to take our input signal. But in our output here, it is in the bit reversed order. So bit reversed order in the sense x of 0, x of 4, x of 2, x of 6. Likewise, we will have our data. So while writing our answer, we should be very careful, right? So if you do write it in the same way, whatever we are getting in this answer in our DIF FFT, then our answer will be wrong, because this is for x of 0, this is for x of 4, this is for x of 2. So likewise, that is the similar to this pattern. So x of 2, 6, 1, 5, 3, 7. So here also, here we are having the same order here in the bit reversed order. But while writing your answer, you should be very careful. First, you have to write the 0th sample, then first sample, then second, then third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and lastly 7. Right? So you have to do in this fashion. And also, here you have to remember one more point, that twiddle factors are available at the output of each stage, whereas here the twiddle factors are available at the input of each stage. Here the twiddle factors, here the output of the first stage, we are having the twiddle factors. The output of the second stage, we are having the twiddle factor. And output of the last stage, we are having the twiddle factor. Of course, the W8 power 0 is equal to 1. So if you are misplacing our twiddle factor in the input or output, it doesn't matter here. But coming to the other twiddle factors, x of y, sorry, W8 power 1, which is equal to -0.707 minus j 0.707. W8 power 2 is minus j. And W8 power 3, we are having our data, right? So if you are doing with a different way, then we will have our different answer. So please remember, so while doing our DIT, input side is in the bit reversed order, output is in the regular fashion. In DIF FFT, input is in the regular order, output is in the bit reversed fashion. And here the twiddle factors are at the input side of each stage, and here the twiddle factors are at the output side of each stage. So these are all the major difference between the DIT and DIF FFT.